Okay, so I'm being a pretty big retard right now. I have the cat treats. I'm trying to balance it on my nose, and then flick it up and catch it in my mouth somehow. And the cat's very angry because he can't get a treat. Here it goes. Dang it. That's one down. It's two down. Okay, now I'm just going to try to throw it up. I missed it, and the cat gets that one. Now, for the grand finale. Woo!
But it's a cat treat. Are you going to eat it? It's good.
Oh, stop the video. Stop the video.
Show me the back.
Oh, no. Ew.
It's got yellowfin tuna, meaty inside and a crispy outside. Swallow it. Swallow it.
Oh, you turned the video off.
Swallow it.
I know that. Oh.
It's like Survivor.